Catching up. The chopper must have landed.
Why don't you take a break? You're bleeding.
No, I'm not bleeding. I'm separating. It's discharge. My body's just fighting the infection around the stitches.
You know when most people are lying and they can't look you in the eye? You do the exact opposite.
Hey, long time no see.
Who are you talking to up there, Genghis?